few years back, Salesforce launched Financial Services Cloud for big-time wealth management ventures. So, what exactly is Salesforce Financial Services Cloud? The Financial Service Cloud is an extension of the Salesforce platform that leverages features that aim to personify clients' relationships. It enables users to have a 360-degree view of the organization's financial health and helps in building profitable relationships. Salesforce Financial Services is a one-stop solution catering to all the sub-verticals in the industry, such as insurance, commercial banking, wealth management, mortgage and lending, and retail and premier banking. So, what benefits Salesforce Financial Services Cloud brings on the table? Full quadrant view of the customer, improvise sales and cross-sell, help build better client relationships, enhanced team collaboration, smarter and faster client decision, promote advisor productivity. The Salesforce Winter 21 release gives many reasons to leverage the Financial Services Cloud to its full potential. However, the new Winter 21 release is mainly focused on the mortgage and insurance part of the Financial Services Cloud. Let's know what updations Financial Service Cloud brings with the Winter 21 release. Configurations to Financial Service Client Portal. With the Winter 21 release, the Financial Service Cloud offers a self-guided loan application which could be quickly done by configuring the Financial Services Client Portal. It also displays application summaries and can launch a self-service flow to request help. Data sharing compliance. With the latest update to the Financial Service Cloud, data sharing is more efficient and secure. The new feature allows specific users to control access to accounts or records for users without writing complex code when enabled. You can also manage roles and participants in the context of their parent records. Client data and relationships. The Actionable Relationship Center displays a hierarchical view which helps understand the customer's complete network without navigating away from the page. The upgrade also allows you to edit and launch actions right from the ARC context rather than on each record individually and modifying. Print insurance record details with the Printable View. You can now use the Printable View button on insurance record details to generate a minimalist view of printing. FSC components on the mobile. The FSC has officially gone mobile with several new iOS and Android components. Salesforce mobile users can now access the features that they need to stay productive while being away from their desks. The new updates in the Winter 21 are designed to increase productivity using collaboration tools and engagement cards as well as personalized client relationships and make smarter business decisions using analytics. Want to wrap the optimum advantages of the Salesforce Financial Services Cloud for increasing your business efficiency? Get in touch with Cloud Analogy now to access the best of Salesforce Financial Cloud implementation services and see how our Salesforce Financial Service Cloud experts can help your organization realize the benefits of Salesforce Financial Services Cloud.